In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim a free Azure Pass, or a free Azure subscription, suitable for practice labs and perfect for beginners. Azure offers a variety of free options, and understanding how to utilize these can be immensely beneficial whether you're just starting out or need some free resources to experiment with. Now let's explore these options and guide you through the process of claiming yours. First, let's talk about the types of free Azure offers available. Microsoft provides several appealing entry points. The first option is the Azure Free Account or Trial. This offer gives new users $200 in credits, valid for 30 days. With this, you also get access to certain services free for 12 months, alongside many services that remain free indefinitely. If you're new to Azure, this can be an excellent way to dive in and start exploring the platform without immediate cost. Next, there's Azure for Students. This is a fantastic opportunity if you're a student. With a valid school email, you can receive $100 in credits and enjoy a range of services without even needing a credit card. This makes it particularly accessible for students who want to gain skills without financial hurdles. Another option is the Azure Pass, promo, or voucher. These can be acquired through various training platforms, educational institutions, or as part of Microsoft programs. Essentially, these vouchers provide you with free credits or time-limited access, which can be a great boost if you have access to them. Additionally, Azure offers free services or free tiers, meaning that some services come with free usage quotas that won't consume any of your credit. This is a solid option for ongoing projects that require lightweight resources. Now let's dive into the process to claim or activate your free Azure Pass or subscription. This might vary slightly depending on the offer you qualify for, but let's run through a general guide for setting up an Azure free trial account, which is quite popular. Start by visiting Azure's free sign-up page at azuremicrosoft.com/free. Look for options that say Start Free or Try Azure for free, and proceed to click. You'll need to sign in with an existing Microsoft account or create a new one if you haven't got one yet. The next steps involve identity verification, typically with a phone number, so make sure you have that on hand. You'll also be asked to provide a payment method, like a credit or debit card, but don't worry, this is purely for validation purposes. You won't be charged unless you decide to convert to a pay-as-you-go subscription once your credits have expired. Finally, you'll need to accept the terms and create your trial subscription. Once you've completed these steps, your account will be successfully activated. You'll be able to see your subscription in the Azure portal, which is your gateway to start using your free credits and exploring the free tier services. By following these instructions, you've taken a significant first step into utilizing Azure's powerful cloud computing resources without any initial cost. Enjoy exploring Azure and happy learning.